Creating a rustic wooden headboard from reclaimed wood. Discover the charm of a rustic wooden headboard, an addition that breathes life into your furniture. Choose your wood wisely. Reclaimed wood imparts a truly rustic feel. Now, measure and cut your wood planks to match the desired length of the headboard. This is where your headboard starts to take shape. Precision is key to achieving a balanced, seamless look. Next, lay out your planks and bring them together. Use wood glue and screws for a sturdy bond. Remember, strength is just as important as aesthetics. It's time to sand your headboard. Pay special attention to the edges and corners. This process removes any rough spots, adding a smooth finish to your masterpiece. After sanding, apply your chosen stain or sealant. This not only adds color and character to your headboard, but also protects it. Let the stain dry fully. Patience is a virtue here. Now it's time to make your headboard functional. Attach mounting brackets or legs, depending on how you want it affixed to your bed frame. Your rustic headboard is nearly complete. The final step is to secure your rustic wooden headboard to your bed frame. Stand back, admire your handiwork. It's more than a piece of furniture, it's a statement of style. These high-level steps are just the beginning. If you're looking for detailed plans and step-by-step instructions, we've got you covered. Dive into the world of perfect woodworking plans. With hundreds of DIY projects and thousands of woodworking plans at your fingertips, finding the perfect project has never been easier. From intricate designs to simple yet elegant creations, enhance your skills and bring your ideas to life. So, if you're ready to embark on a journey of creativity and craftsmanship, check out the link in the description. Perfect Woodworking Plans is your gateway to endless possibilities. Don't forget to subscribe for more content and click the link in description below to discover a world of woodworking projects. Your next masterpiece awaits.